Computer. Commonly operated machine particularly used for technical education and research. HDD. Hard disk drive. SSD. Solid state drive. RAM. Random access memory. ROM. Read-only memory. CPU. Central processing unit. BIOS. Basic input-output system. GPU. Graphics processing unit. DMA. Direct memory access. SMPS. Switched mode power supply. SATA. Serial Advanced Technology Attachment. PATA. Parallel Advanced Technology Attachment. SCSI. Small Computer System Interface. IDE. Integrated Drive Electronics. IC. Integrated Circuit. CMOS. Complementary Metal Oxide Semiconductor. USB. Universal Serial Bus. HDMI. High Definition Multimedia Interface. VGA. Video Graphics Array. PCI. Peripheral Component Interconnect. DVD. Digital Versatile Disc. CD. Compact Disc. CRT. Cathode Ray Tube. LCD. Liquid Crystal Display. LED. Light Emitting Diode. OLED. Organic Light Emitting Diode. QLED. Quantum Dot Light Emitting Diode. SLED. Superluminescent Diode. Monitor. Massa Newton is Drain on Rat. OS. Operating System.